Hello friends, this is Team Never channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can enable performance mode in Realme GT 5G or Realme GT Master Edition. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So to enable performance mode or game mode in Realme GT 5G or Realme GT Master Edition, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first just go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.